Hey guys, welcome back to TJ's RC Garage, and you're with TJ aka Tarun Joseph, and this is the Maisto sorry, not the Rockroller, Maisto Cyklone 360 by Maisto Tech RC. So let's see what's in the box, and as usual, it's nothing. Yes, nothing. Okay, so this is the stuff. I ripped it open a couple of days ago, and I didn't have enough patience to do it on camera, so I just flipped it out. Sorry guys. It's okay. Let me just talk. This is the transmitter. Kind of small, handy, but I wouldn't recommend this for adults. Yeah, I could, but it's just right for me, and you can control it with one hand. That's cool for me, which I like. And this is the Cyklone 360 itself. Yep, looks blah blah blah. So I'll talk about it in some time. Let's see the details on the box. So the box says Maisto or Maisto whatever Tech RC Cyklone 360, and it's 5 plus, and I'm 14, so it's recommended for me. Is it? Yeah, it is. It's Street Series, QR code. Then what else? Yeah, it says 2 AAA batteries for the controller, the transmitter, whatever you call it. And the vehicle includes 4 AA non-rechargeable batteries, 27 megahertz frequency, rear wheel, LED lights, FX, 360-degree spin, features, skill level 2. So I want to talk about the skill level 2 thing. So it's actually easy to control it if you have RC'd before. So if it's your first time, I guess it's going to be skill level 2, but yeah, you can consider it as skill level 2, but for people like who've already driven RCs, it's kind of like skill level 1, because it's easy, and it's ready to run, ready to rock and roll. So easy 360-degree turning, light up rear wheels, and rear wheel rotates. Wow, as if I didn't know. And this set contains blah blah vehicle transmitter. It cannot contain something else, right? Can it? I don't think so. Full function control, as if I didn't know. Cyklone 360, what else does this box say? Blah 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 blah. Okay, so that's enough. Focus. Okay, so let's talk about this. It's fully plastic. Yes, and it was, I know it's kind of target, but who said targets aren't fun? It's great fun for its price range, like $20-$30, I'm not sure. And it comes with AA batteries already included. So for those who do not know what a AA battery is, it's this, the fat one, Duracell. But it doesn't include a Duracell. Let's see, I don't have enough time to open it as I'm lazy, and it just comes with AA batteries and rear wheel lights up, kind of kiddish, but it's kind of fun too. And this can be removed on both the sides. Try not to break them because they are very important. So this is the plastic. It's all plastic including this, and I have one complaint about it. It makes too much noise compared to other RCs. It makes literally the most noise out of my RCs. So it's now I don't think, but turning, yeah, it makes a hell of noise, and yeah, it's bad. And this is the transmitter. Yeah, as I told earlier, it's small, blah, blah. And this requires 2 AAA batteries, so it's something like this, but thinner and smaller, less power. So let me see if I can light this thing up. So it's been like a day since I've used it, because I was busy with setting my RC track. So this doesn't have an on and off button, so let's see. Go. Okay, its battery is down, because you know how I play with it. I literally play with it for hours together. It's fun. I would recommend this for adults. Oh, I just kicked the tripod. Okay, I would recommend this for kids, first time RCS newbies, whatever you call them. So this is all, and to get it, it's not completely ready to run. You need one thing, a screwdriver, just to get the batteries in place. Okay, so this is all, and you get a manual, crappy, if I would say, because I've not looked into it yet and I've lost it. So yeah, the box is pretty out of shape and it's all kind of dusty. Okay, so this is it. This is what comes, except the DSL battery and a manual is what comes with it. And it's worth $20, $25. If it's your first RC, then great. It's literally like the best RC, not the best, it's one of the best you could get for $20, $25 for your kids or anyone. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and watch my previous videos. And I think it's called an info card and an iCard, and I'm gonna pop one right here so you can watch my previous videos. This is the Maisto Tech RC Cyklone. Take a look at it, guys. It's cool. Okay, it's cool. So subscribe, like, ring the notification bell, like or dislike, it's up to you guys. If you like it, like it. If you don't, dislike it. But try to like the video, because I like people who like the video. And comment in case you guys have any questions about the size, because I haven't mentioned it because I don't know size of this or the batteries, or in case you need any upgrades, just please do ask me on the comment and let me see if I can answer it. And subscribe, same stuff. And I wanted to do a shout out to one of my classmate YouTubers, my friends, my buddy Dave's Vlogs, DEV''SVLOGS. Okay, I'll just put it on what do you say, link down below in the description box, or I'm gonna feature his channel on the iCard, which is gonna pop anytime now. And this is TJ, and bye guys. You can take a look for some time. Yeah, you can look at the Maisto. There's nothing to look, but let me just set the camera and take a closer look. It's actually kind of small. Okay, like, comment, subscribe. Bye guys. TJ's, and don't forget to subscribe to TJ's RC Garage, ring the notification bell for more awesome RC stuff. And bye guys.